Most people can talk for hours about football. They'll argue about players, teams, and stats like it actually changes something. But then, there's you, the one who doesn't watch, and you've probably heard it before. Bro, how can you not like football? But what if not watching says more about your psychology than the game itself? See, not watching football isn't about being different. It's about where your focus goes and what your mind truly values. Psychologists call it value dissonance, when society finds pleasure in something that your brain simply doesn't respond to. And that's not rebellion, that's self-awareness, because people who don't watch football usually fall into one of four types, and each type reveals something powerful about how their mind works. The self-focused thinker. They don't hate the sport. They just can't feel what others feel watching it. Their brain isn't wired for vicarious emotion, the ability to feel excitement through others' success. They get their dopamine from progress, not spectacle. So when everyone's screaming over a goal, they're thinking, why should I care about people I don't even know? Psychologically, these people have low external validation needs and high self-determination. They don't chase belonging through shared emotions. They find meaning in self-improvement, and that makes them look cold, when in reality, they're just independent thinkers who see no reward in watching others win. The disillusioned observer. They used to care. They used to watch every match. But at some point, they saw through it. The money, the marketing, the idolization of players who don't even know their fans exist. This type experiences what psychologists call existential detachment, when entertainment no longer feels meaningful because it lacks real growth or purpose. They realized cheering won't fix their problems, and celebrating strangers won't fill their emptiness. So they stepped back, not out of arrogance, but out of awareness. They don't reject the game. They reject the illusion that it matters more than life itself. The redirected mind. This type doesn't dislike football. They just don't need it. Their excitement goes somewhere else. Cars, games, music, movies. Anything that triggers their curiosity and emotion more than a ball on grass. For them, it's not about being different. It's about how their reward system works. Psychologically, they have what's called diversified stimulation patterns, meaning their brain gets dopamine from variety and personal relevance. They enjoy experiences where they can interact, analyze, or feel a story. Football feels repetitive, predictable, but a new car design, a good film, a complex game, that gives their brain novelty, mastery, and connection all at once. It's not that they lack passion, they just direct it toward worlds that feel alive to them. And then there's the honest group, the ones who say, why should I watch millionaires kick a ball? While I'm broke, jobless, and stuck, watching them live their dreams, it just makes me feel worse. This group doesn't hate the sport, they're just being real. For them, football isn't an escape. It's a reminder of how far their own dreams feel. And for others in this group, it's even simpler. It's just football. It doesn't solve anything. It doesn't change the world. That's not bitterness. That's psychological honesty. They see the world through a lens of practicality and emotional protection. Why invest in something that gives nothing back? They're not numb. They're just tired of illusions. So maybe you don't watch football because you're lazy, or maybe you just see the world differently. Because when your energy is focused on building, learning, and creating, it's hard to get excited about watching someone else's story. So which one are you? The self-focused thinker, the disillusioned observer, the redirected mind, the honest realist, or maybe you're a mix of them all. I'm curious to know. If this made you think different, hit subscribe. We go deeper every day. Don't forget to like the video. It helps more people find messages like this. And if you